Brijournal. Welcome to my channel if you are new. If you are, then consider subscribing down below. Today is going to be a mood board home video, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you so much for the feedback on my last video because I really enjoy making this type of content. It's refreshing to do content that I absolutely love, so I'm so excited that you guys enjoy it. Today I'm going to be doing Aaliyah, also known as AllyiahsFace rooftop. I saw that she's trying to redecorate her whole rooftop, so I wanted to go ahead and see how I would furnish everything and to help her out. So Aaliyah, if you're watching this, then hit me up if you need any help with anything. But yeah, and disregard my makeup if it's messed up. I was watching the Little Mermaid trailer and I was crying because I was like, oh, this is so beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the video. I hope you guys enjoy and just keep on watching. Okay y'all, so we're about to get started with this video. I'm gonna go ahead and pop my glasses on, my interior design glasses. So like I said, today's video is going to be on Aaliyah, also known as AllyiahsFace, and we're going to be doing her rooftop. It looks like she cleared everything out, so I was able to look and see like what color the floor was, what color her siding was, just so that I can pick out what type of color would look right with everything that's going on. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so just an overview. She said that she wanted a corner sectional to go in the biggest part of her rooftop, and then she wanted some chase lounge chairs to go in a certain corner. And in my opinion, I think a really long dining table will look really nice. And she also said she wanted a kitchen bar set, but I don't want to get that on what I'm doing today because I really didn't find any cute ones from Wayfair, so I'm pretty sure she wants a built-in kitchen type of thing. So we're just going to leave that out for today. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys everything that I picked out so far. So as far as the big corner sectionals, I was able to find some really cute ones. So the first one that I have is this really cute corner sectional, and it is navy with the light color oak to it. And the next one is the same thing, but it's white and it has the blue accent pillows to it. And then the second one that I have, it is a 5-person sectional, and it just is like a really modern look to it. It's not too much going on, and I like how it doesn't have any armrests because that really gives it that modern look. But we're gonna figure out what goes with what. And I have this 4-person corner sectional, and it is white and it has the no armrest look to it as well, with a small table. In the middle, I do want to put a fire pit, so the table really doesn't matter. Next, I have this huge 9-person sectional. It has the dark charcoal material to it, and it has the light gray cushions. So we're gonna see if that looks right with the side color that she has. Then here I have another corner sectional. I really love the way this looks. It looks really upscale. It looks like it would be at a hotel or something, and I love that look. So it also comes with a little table to it. I feel like she can put it to the side and let it be for like hookahs or something, so that is really nice. I have this 7-person sectional, and it has the wicker material to it. I don't know if I like it or not, but it is an option. I have an 8-person corner sectional, and this one is wicker as well, but it's not so boxy. So this is like the only wicker that I think would look acceptable and not look cheap in my opinion. So hopefully we like this. It's $689. Okay, so now that we got the biggest piece out of the way, I wanted to show you guys the fire pit options that I picked out. She said that she wanted a fire pit in the middle of the table, so I think that's a really good idea to have. It just for like s'mores, and like I know how she likes to have girls' night and that type of thing, have events and stuff like that. So I feel like this would be perfect to have in the middle of her sectional. So the first one that I have is a concrete look, and it is $1,849. And to me, it's just that rustic look. I really don't know if concrete is her style, so we need to keep that in mind when looking to see if it looks right on the mood board. But that is just my first option. So this second option is $1,999. It is kind of a concrete look as well, but it's not as harsh of it being that light gray. It is more of like a taupey gray, so I feel like this is really nice. Some of the fire pits have like that sparkle glass look to it, and I don't like that. And this has more of a rock look. It looks more rustic, and I think that'll be perfect for her rooftop. And then I wanted to add some different styles, so I have this circle fire pit, and it is dark gray, so we have to see what colors look right. It also comes in the option of like this taupey gray that I showed you from the previous one, and this specific one is $779. Here's a dark gray option. This one is $729. It has the same rock look to it, so I think that it's good to have the different colors to see which one looks right on the mood board. And from that, I have this white one. It is $799, and I think the white might look the best because on the top of her siding is white, and I I think that the white will bring out that and have it to have a pop on the rooftop. Then for the last option, I have like this traditional looking fire pit where you put the wood on the inside, and it just is like, I don't know if I like it or not, but we will see how it looks on the mood board and to see what look it is. Okay, and like I was saying earlier, she said that she wanted 2 chases to have in a specific corner of her rooftop, so I'm going to show you guys a couple that I picked out. So I'm not sure how big that specific area is, but I think that having this really cute day bed is just so cute, because on a rooftop it gets super hot, especially where she lives in Atlanta. I already know, I live here, it's hot, it gets really hot. So it has these nice shades to it, and then it has the cover to it to cover all the sun that will be beaming down. So I feel like this would be a really cute area to just read a book, for her to edit videos, and it would just be a vibe. And then up next I have these traditional looking chase chairs. It is a modern look to it, and I think that these are really cute. This is in the dark gray color with the white on top. To me personally, I don't like to get white cushion covers, especially for things of outdoors. It does seem to get dirty really easily and gets pollen and all that type of stuff on it. So we'll just keep that in mind and try to make these things super practical. And then up next I have this 2-in-1 chase, and it's super cute. It's $559, so to me it would be buy one get one free type of thing. I like the color wood of it, and I like how some of the corner sectionals that I picked out have this wood, so hopefully everything works out and we might be able to pick this one. But I love this. It is like a chic look in a modern type of way. And I have the same thing, but it is in a dark gray cover, and this is just so nice. Like I said, I love this color wood. It just is such a summer type of look, but this one is kind of expensive. It's $3,059, so let's just keep that in mind. And then I have this wicker one. This is only an option if I choose to do wicker based on the corner sectional that I choose, and it also has the white cushion cover. So yeah, like I said, I don't really tend to like getting those, but we'll see how they look. I have the same one in a different color. This is in the natural color, and I love this color, so this might be the color that we end up choosing, but we will see. We'll have to figure out which color looks right, especially with the color per siding. I talked about one half of the rooftop basically furnished already. So on the other half, she's going to have her hot tub, and then I also wanted to put a really long dining table on there, and I wanted to get one that's a set. I also was considering CB2, but they're really expensive, and I just can't get into spending $300 for chairs, especially if you want a long table. So you're gonna have to buy multiple things of those. So I just wanted to see what Wayfair had, and I was really impressed with the sets that they have. So I want to show you guys a couple of those. The first one is $1,479, and it has the wicker material to it. It has the white cushion covers, so don't know how I would feel about that. We'll see which one looks the best when we furnish everything else. It has the wood tabletop, so yeah, it's just a first option. Not in love with it. The second one is $3,799. It also has this wood look to it, and I love how the chairs are black with the wood pops to it. It's really homey, and I like that because on a rooftop you just want to have a vibe, have dinner, invite people over. She can have her charcuterie board on there and just chill out. Now y'all, I'm loving this white. Like I said, I love the white on top of her siding, so I want to add some white on there just for like some pop that it can have, and I just love the way this looks, and it has really good reviews on it. I love the way that some of the people on here furnished it. I love how it looks. It just looks so clean and sleek, and I feel like on a rooftop you just want to have that hotel vibe. Like you want to feel like you're on a resort, and I think that when we get done seeing how everything looks, that's the vibe that we're going to be going for. Okay y'all, so this is the last table set that I was able to find, and I absolutely love it. I love the design of the wood, and then it also has that white pop. It looks really clean, and like I said, this wood color is so cute, and even the cushion covers aren't super white. It's like a beige, so I feel like they won't get dirty really easily, and it sits 6 people, so I feel like this will be a really good sized table for her to have. It looks really chic and really, I don't know, this reminds me of Sims for some reason. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, that's really cute. Okay y'all, so that's all the items that I picked out. So we're about to go back to the chair and see which one looks best. Okay y'all, so I went ahead and added all the photos on canvas. I'm gonna add the recording of the iPad just so that you can see what's going on real time, and let's just get started and see how everything is going to turn out. As you can see, this is AllyiahsFace's rooftop. I was able to do a screenshot just to see how big this certain area was, and just to see what color the siding was for her house, and the color of the wood and all of that. So this is what it looks like. The first step I want to do is figure out what sectional I want to use in that corner. So I'm just gonna make this a little bigger and we can figure out which one looks the best. This is really hard because there's so many options to choose from. So yeah, let's just drag it down and see. I actually like that. It's like that cool color, like the light wood. So that is an option. If I don't like it, I'm just gonna remove it because it is so many to choose from. This I do not like. It's too much blue going on, so I'm gonna delete that. For this wicker look, it's all right. I don't love it. It looks a little cheap to me in my opinion. So yeah, let's get that out of there. We can go for this dark gray look. And I believe these cushion covers are light gray. But yeah, I mean, I like it, it's cool. Now for this black look, that is nice. That is really, really nice. It has the wicker, but it doesn't look as boxy, so it doesn't make it look cheap looking to me. So yeah, that's an option. Here we have this. I think they added these orange cushion covers and I like it, but it looks a little orange to me. So I don't know if I like how orange the wood looks. So I'm just gonna make it really small. It's still an option, but it's not a top priority. And now for this one is humongous. So I think this would be good for that section. And I believe you're able to move it around more compared to the other ones. So yeah, I like it. It is a little dark in my opinion. And now for this, I'm not feeling that, and it looks like it would be too small for that area anyway. This, oh my gosh, this is nice. I really like this. I like this look. I like the wood color. Yeah, definitely. So that's like my top pick for right now. And then we have this last one, this dark gray look. It's all right. It's a little too much gray going on, so I'm not really feeling that. So out of all of these, I really, really, really love this one. Okay, now for this option, I like it. It gives a cooler theme, like really light. So yeah, that's my second option. Now for this one, it's not as big, so I don't know if this would be right, but I do like the look of it. So I don't know. I think it's just too small. Then for these, they basically look just alike, but it's a little dark in my opinion. It's cool, but it's all right. Okay, so I'm just gonna have two options to choose from while we pick everything else, and then we can just decide on the right one after we choose the chase and all of that. So next up, we wanna do the fire pit, and we can see which one looks best with this. So let's just drag it down and see which one looks the best. So for this one, I like it. It's cool. It gives like a contemporary look. For this white, I really like the white. I feel like I'm gonna choose the white just so that it can keep that clean look, but we will see. Then for this one, I like this one because it has a clear section just so she can put like her hooker or something right there. And I like the way that looks, but I don't know if I like all that gray going on, so I think I'm gonna get rid of that one. Here's another gray one that I like. And I don't know how I feel about it. We're just gonna keep that in mind. And then for this one, it doesn't look right with this sectional. We can see how it looks with the other one. I don't like that. So we can go for the dark one. I don't think circle would look right. And then for this, that definitely doesn't look right. So it's based on these three. Let me see how big this black fire pit is, because I don't think it's that big. It's pretty big, but I don't know, it's not the vibe that I think she would want to go for, because she seems more of like luxury type of look. So we can get rid of that one. So far so good. It's looking nice and hotel-like. That's the goal that we're going for. So I'm really excited to see what it's going to look like. Okay, so here on this picture is the area where she wanted some chase chairs, and so we can figure out which one would look the best. So I'm just gonna drag this up and then we can see. I really, really would like for her to get oh my gosh, and it looks perfect too. My only concern is if it's too big. She obviously didn't measure it because she doesn't know I'm doing this video, but if this fits, if it's small enough to fit in that area, I feel like it would look amazing. I'm gonna try these wood colors and see which one looks the best. I don't think it would be good to like do another colored wood. I think it needs to be black. So that was cheap. I don't know, y'all. The chase are really hard to pick. I think I might end up going with this dark gray one and letting it be a simple thing, and then she can just get 2 of those. Yeah, I think that might have to be the option because the other ones don't look good to me with the color that's going on, and I don't like that. So I think that would be a good option. And then based off of everything, I'm pretty sure I don't like the look of this wood color. No, I don't. So I'm just gonna choose between either this white or this color. And I really like the white, so that would be really cute. And it looks really bright on this mood board, but you gotta remember everything up there is like the dark blue gray, and then she has like the light brown floor. So I feel like the white is just gonna be a pop of color, and it will make her rooftop really feel like a hotel, in my opinion. And then for this, I feel like the gray would look really nice to have under there. And then I also found some flooring, so I feel like she's having issues with her floors, unfortunately. So if she wanted to, she could cover her rooftop with this type of flooring that I picked out, and it would be really cute, especially with all the furniture that I picked out so far. So yeah, that's basically everything. I'm gonna try to make this look a little cuter because it is looking a little off. Okay, and I changed my mind on that chase. I really am in love with this day bed type of thing, so I just have to get it. And I feel like it will look right because the sectional that I chose, the wood isn't like a solid colored wood. It's kind of grainy, so I think it would look good. This is just the finished look. It looks really clean, like a hotel, really minimalistic. And she's able to have her hookah at the table, eat dinner. I know she still has her umbrella she can put on this table. It sits 6 people and it's 71 inches long. I feel like this will be the perfect length for her to put a table. It's gonna be able to sit enough people and just give that good vibe. She can have her hookah, her charcuterie boards, eat her dinner, just enjoy. And then for the lounge sectional, I just love this color with the white fire pits. It's just so cute. Y'all already know I'm in love, love, love with this day bed. It has the top cover so that she can enjoy and not be in the hot sun because it gets hot in Atlanta. So yeah, she can read a book, be on her iPad, playing YouTube videos and edit YouTube videos. So I just love the way this looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed how this turned out. This was just a fun video for me to do because I know that she started over her rooftop and I just wanted to see how I would decorate it if I was shopping only at Wayfair. And Leah, if you're watching this, I really love your content and appreciate you for all the work that you have put in for all these years. I've been watching you for years and years and years, and you have supported the girls for years, and we love you. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Please give me any feedback that you might have, and just to help me keep going with this type of content. And subscribe if you're not already, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.